Tired of fad diets and sweating buckets for minimal results? There's a secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Gooseberry juice. Packed with vitamins and fiber, it kickstarts your metabolism. You want results, not regrets, yeah? Stick with me, and I'll teach you the do's and don'ts of making gooseberry juice. Get ready to sip your way to a healthier, fitter you. Right, let's get down to business. First things first, you need the right ingredients. We're after gooseberries, but not just any old berries will do. Imagine picking out a shiny green gooseberry, so fresh it could practically wave at you. That's the one you need. Fresh gooseberries are bursting with vitamin C, fiber, and all the good stuff that makes your metabolism dance. Picking out the perfect gooseberry is like choosing your ingredients on the line. It's gotta be spot on. Avoid those sad wrinkled excuses for gooseberries. They're about as useful as a broken whisk in this kitchen. Got it? Look for plump, firm berries with a vibrant green color. They should feel heavy in your hand, full of juice, and ready to transform your weight loss journey. Trust me, the fresher the gooseberry, the better the juice, and the faster you'll see those pounds melt away. And cleaning, it's not just about making things look nice. I understand the critical importance of maintaining high hygiene standards. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Gooseberries grow close to the ground, which means they might come with a bonus layer of dirt, grime, and who knows what else. We're not serving mud pies here, are we? So give those gooseberries a good thorough wash under cold running water. Scrub them gently with your hands to get rid of any stubborn dirt lurking between them. We're after clean, sparkling gooseberries ready to work their magic, not some gritty, soil-infused disaster. Be mindful of what you're consuming. It's going straight to your health. Treat your ingredients with respect, and they'll reward you with flavor and results. Now, get scrubbing. All right, you've picked your gooseberries. You've washed them thoroughly. Now let's talk about extracting that liquid gold. Forget those overpriced, overcomplicated juicers. All you need is a decent blender. You heard me right, a blender. It's like my trusty knife. Simple, efficient, gets the job done. Toss those gooseberries in, add a splash of water, and blitz it. Don't even think about overthinking this. We're not making a Michelin star smoothie here, just a simple, raw, and unfiltered juice. And that, my friends, is the key. We want that fiber intact, working its magic for your weight loss journey. See that beautiful, vibrant green concoction? That's the good stuff. No fancy techniques, no unnecessary steps. Just pure, unadulterated gooseberry goodness, ready to kickstart your metabolism. Now, stop staring at the blender and let's move on to the next step. Now, before you go chugging down that entire blender full of gooseberry juice, let me tell you something. Straight gooseberry juice is about as welcoming as a service rush in Hell's Kitchen on a Saturday night. Intense, overwhelming, and guaranteed to make you pucker. This isn't some kind of sour face challenge, all right? We're trying to enjoy this health kick, not endure it. Diluting the juice with water is crucial. It not only makes it easier on your taste buds, trust me, they'll thank you, but also on your stomach. Remember, it's all about balance. You want that tangy gooseberry goodness, but not at the expense of your entire mouth feeling like it's doing the Macarena. Start with a 1-to-1 ratio of juice to water and adjust to your liking. All right, so we've got our base gooseberry juice, perfectly diluted and ready to go. But let's be honest, a bit of excitement never hurt anyone, right? We're not serving blandness in this kitchen. It's time to turn this gooseberry juice into a flavor fiesta. Ginger, a pinch of black salt, a squeeze of lemon. These are your secret weapons. Not only do they add a symphony of flavors to wake up those taste buds, but they also pack their own health benefits. Ginger aids digestion, black salt is a natural detoxifier, and lemon juice is bursting with vitamin C. It's like a health halo for your already awesome juice. Don't be afraid to experiment. A sprig of mint, a dash of cinnamon, even a touch of cayenne pepper if you're feeling adventurous. Remember, this is your culinary journey, and we're just here to guide you to gooseberry greatness. Now go on, get creative, and make that juice sing. Attention everyone, I kindly request your focus on the following matter. Making gooseberry juice is like cooking a perfect steak. You wouldn't let that steak sit there and get cold, would you? Freshness is everything. That vibrant green juice, bursting with vitamins. That's your ticket to a healthier you. Don't even think about shoving it in the back of the fridge like last week's leftovers. Gooseberry juice isn't some magical elixir that lasts forever. It's alive, damn it, and it deserves to be enjoyed at its peak. Every minute that passes, those precious nutrients start to disappear, fading faster than your willpower at a buffet. You want a lazy juice that's lost its mojo? Be my guest, but don't come crying to me when your metabolism is slower than a snail in treacle. Make the juice, drink the juice, feel the difference. It's not rocket science, you hear? Fresh in, fresh results. Now stop dilly-dallying and get on with it. All right, folks, listen up. This is important. When it comes to gooseberry juice, timing is bloody crucial. You want to maximize those weight loss benefits. You gulp it down first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Think of it as kickstarting your metabolism before it's even had its morning coffee. Imagine your metabolism as a lazy sod, still snoring away in bed. This juice, it's like a bucket of cold water straight to the face. It wakes everything up, gets things moving, and prepares your body for the day ahead. Drinking it on an empty stomach means those nutrients get absorbed faster than you can say Michelin star. It's like giving your body a VIP backstage pass to all the good stuff. So ditch the sugary cereals and greasy breakfasts. Start your day the right way with a glass of this green goodness. Your body will thank you for it, you hear? All right, foodies, listen up. This one's for you. I know you're eager to gulp down gallons of this miracle juice, but hold your horses. Gooseberries are potent little things, packed with flavor. Start slow and steady, like a delicate souffle. Begin with a small amount, maybe 30 to 50 milliliters. You're aiming for a gentle nudge, not a full-blown gastric rebellion. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't sprint out the gate at full speed. You'd pace yourself, build up your endurance. Same goes for this juice. Give your body time to adjust. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. So take it easy, start small, and let the gooseberry magic work. All right, listen up, you legend. This is important. We're trying to make a healthy juice here, not sabotage the whole bloody operation. Boiling gooseberries is an absolute sin against nature. It's like taking a blowtorch to your vitamins. Vitamin C is delicate, you see. It's not some indestructible ingredient you can torture with heat. Boiling those gooseberries will zap the life out of them, leaving you with a dull, lifeless juice. And nobody wants a dull and lifeless juice, do they? We're after vibrancy. We're after freshness. We're after a juice that packs a punch, not one that whimpers in the corner. So ditch the stovetop and embrace the raw power of fresh gooseberries. Let's all focus on this important point. We're on a mission here, a mission for weight loss, not weight gain. So why would you even think about adding sugar to this beautiful gooseberry juice? It's like pouring ketchup on a Michelin star dish. It's an insult. You're taking something naturally tart and tangy, something bursting with goodness, and you're drowning it in a sticky, sugary swamp. If you need a touch of sweetness, fine. A drizzle of honey, a whisper of stevia. But sugar, get that out of my kitchen. We're not running a bloody dessert bar here. Gooseberry juice is meant to be a refreshing, healthy drink. So ditch the sugar and let the natural flavors shine. What's up, wellness warriors? Quick pause on your scrolling, because this is about to transform your health journey. Gooseberry juice is fantastic, brilliant even. But that doesn't mean you should be chugging it down like it's the last pint before closing time. It's potent stuff, and overdoing it will send you running to the loo faster than you can say gooseberry guts. Moderation, you muppets. Start with a small glass. See how your body reacts. Don't go pouring yourself a pint and then come crying to me when your stomach throws a tantrum. Remember, we're aiming for sustainable weight loss here, not a one-way ticket to Indigestion City. So pace yourselves, listen to your bodies, and enjoy the gooseberry goodness responsibly. Listen up. You want to lose weight, right? Then stop being afraid of a little pulp. Straining gooseberry juice is like throwing away the best part. That fiber in the pulp. It's your secret weapon. It keeps you feeling full, regulates your digestion, and stops you from reaching for those sugary snacks. You think those skinny jeans are going to magically appear by sipping on some watered-down, fiberless juice. Get a grip. Embrace the pulp. Feel it between your teeth and let your body thank you for it. Fresh gooseberry juice is like a perfectly cooked steak. Vibrant, full of flavor, and bursting with goodness. But leave it out too long, and it becomes a rubbery, discolored mess. Storing juice for days is like sucking the life out of it. The vitamins degrade, the flavor fades, and you're left with a sad, watery shadow of its former glory. If you must store it, one day in the fridge, and that's it. Any longer, and you're basically drinking gooseberry-flavored water. Get your head in the game, people. Fresh juice, fresh results. It's not rocket science. Listen, you wouldn't pour gravy on a souffle, would you? So why in God's name would you even consider mixing gooseberry juice with milk? It's a bloody disaster waiting to happen. Gooseberry and milk are sworn enemies. This isn't some culinary experiment. It's a recipe for disaster. You'll end up with a curdled mess that looks like it belongs in a swamp, not your glass. And as if that wasn't bad enough, your stomach will pay the price. Get ready for a night of indigestion, bloating, and probably a few trips to the bathroom you'll want to forget. Stick to water, champ. You've got this. It's the only mixer your gooseberry juice needs. Trust me, your gut will thank you for it. Let me get this straight. You're gulping down gooseberry juice at night, hoping for a miracle weight loss potion? You think this is some magical elixir that works while you sleep? Wake up, you numpty. Gooseberry juice is a morning ritual, not a midnight snack. Your body needs time to digest and process it, not while it's supposed to be resting. It's like trying to run a marathon after a Thanksgiving feast. It's just not going to end well. Drinking this juice late at night is a surefire way to disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Do you really want to be tossing and turning all night, haunted by the ghost of gooseberries past? I didn't think so. Stick to a glass in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when you'll get the most benefit and avoid a night of digestive turmoil. Right. Listen up. We've covered a lot of ground here, from picking the freshest gooseberries to avoiding culinary catastrophes. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. Gooseberry juice, when made right, can be your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. It's packed with vitamins, fiber, and enough tang to wake up your taste buds and your metabolism. Remember, fresh is best, no sugar, and for God's sake, no milk. Follow these simple rules, and you'll be well on your way to a lighter, healthier you. Now, stop watching this and get juicing. And don't forget to come back and tell me how amazing you feel.